Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to make your TikTok account private. To do that is really simple. You have just to go to TikTok, open the app, and after that go to the application, like on your profile. Click on your profile on the bottom right of the screen, and after that click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, go to settings and privacy. After that, go to visibility, private account, and you have just to activate it. And when it's green like that, that means your account is private now. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.